Welcome back to Mrs. All Fixer. Today we're tackling a common household problem, a neglected old exhaust fan. Don't throw it out just yet. With a little elbow grease, we can bring it back to life. Our first step is to carefully remove the old exhaust fan from its mounting. Safety first. Make sure the power is off before you begin. We'll gently disconnect any wiring and unscrew it from its position. Now for the satisfying part, cleaning. This fan has seen better days, but a simple cloth and some all-purpose cleaner can work wonders. We'll wipe down every surface, removing years of dust, grime, and grease. Pay special attention to the fan blades and the protective grill. For those stubborn spots, a small brush can be incredibly helpful. We want to ensure all the moving parts are free from obstruction. A clean fan not only looks better, but also operates more efficiently and quietly. With the fan sparkling clean, it's time to reassemble and reinstall it. We'll carefully put all the components back together, ensuring everything is secure. Then we'll mount it back in its original spot, reconnecting the wiring as before. And there you have it, a once forgotten exhaust fan, now clean and fully functional. Let's switch it on and hear that satisfying hum. Another successful fix by Mrs. All Fixer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY solutions. See you next time.